Hello everyone, welcome back. This is David Wilbur Jr. and this is David Wilbur Jr.'s Playhouse. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a new app that they came out with called Atlantis, or Atlas, where you can actually buy land and you can actually get real money to PayPal. Here it goes. This is the app. It's pretty much all in beta right now. They're still in beta, and show you the app here. Yep, this is Atlas Earth. Buy real world virtual real estate. Earn real world money. And that's the truth. See that thing going up? That's the money. If it reaches 5, you can actually cash out. You can cash out. Now here's how much it is for each one. Auction is going to be coming soon. Going to be coming real soon, hopefully. I can't wait to do this one. The hunt for diamonds, and you can upgrade. Then of course the landmark's going to be coming soon as well in phase 2. This is going to be pretty cool. This is going to be pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool. Alright, now let's go back to the map. Let's buy some land. Let's buy this one over here. Buy land? Yes. Yes. Woohoo! Epic. That's kind of cool. Now, I'm going to go buy one over here. Yes. Is this epic? Another epic? Or legend? Common. I can do that. We can do that. We can do that. Buy one more. Let's go right here. Yes. You ready? Here it goes. Boom. Another epic. Come join. And oh yeah, one more thing. You can boost it. Watch an ad and boost it for an hour. Let's see if it'll work. Let's see if the ad works. Yep. They boosted it. And there it goes. Just wanted to show you and have some fun with this. But like I said in my next video, I'll see you guys later.